Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like your days just pass by and you are not really moving closer to your dreams? Maybe you wake up, do the same routine, and at the end of the day you ask yourself, where did my time go? The truth is this: success is not built in one day. It is built by the habits you repeat every single day. And here's the good news. You don't need complicated rules, expensive tools, or even a perfect plan. You only need small, simple habits that anyone can do. Today I will share with you 5 daily habits that can completely change your life. These are the same kinds of habits that successful people, leaders, and dreamers use to stay focused, strong, and motivated every single day. So if you are ready to take control of your life, if you are ready to stop wasting time, and if you want to see real progress, then stay with me until the end of this video. Because what I am about to share with you could be the turning point in your journey. The first habit is to wake up early. Imagine this. It's 5:30 in the morning. The world is still quiet. Most people are still asleep, but you have already given yourself the greatest gift, the gift of time. When you wake up early, you are not rushing. You are calm. You have the chance to start your day with peace. Begin with a gentle stretch. Take a deep breath and allow your body and mind to fully wake up. This calm beginning is like pressing a reset button for your life every single morning. Then prepare something simple. Maybe a warm cup of coffee or a light breakfast. Sit down with a notebook and write your goals for the day. Writing your goals turns your dreams into action. Planning with intention brings clarity, and clarity always brings success. Second habit is to move your body. Exercise doesn't have to mean hours in the gym or running for miles. It can be something simple, a short jog, a quick set of push-ups, or even a 15-minute walk. The secret is consistency. Movement every day doesn't just strengthen your body, it clears your mind, it reduces stress, it fills you with energy. And here's the truth. When your body feels strong, your confidence rises. You walk taller. You think better. You face challenges with more courage. So celebrate every effort, no matter how small. Remember, physical health is the foundation of mental strength. The third habit is to keep learning. Your mind is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. If you stop learning, your mind becomes slow and lazy. But if you keep feeding it with knowledge, you stay sharp, creative, and full of ideas. How do you do this? Read books or e-books that inspire you. Listen to audiobooks when you travel. Explore online courses, watch tutorials, take notes. Highlight the lessons that stand out. But the most important part is this: apply what you learn. Don't just read and forget. Live by the wisdom you collect. Even one small idea can change the direction of your life. Imagine learning just one new thing every day. After 1 year, you would be a completely new person. Knowledge is the foundation of every success. The fourth habit is to plan and prioritize your day. Life feels confusing and heavy when you don't have a plan, but when you organize your day, everything becomes easier. Write down your tasks. Use sticky notes, a notebook, or a digital planner. The tool doesn't matter. What matters is clarity. Start with the most important tasks, the ones that truly bring you closer to your goals. Then move to the smaller ones. Time block your day. Protect your focus and take your tasks step by step. At the end of the day, when you see what you have accomplished, you will feel proud. That sense of progress gives you motivation to keep going. Progress equals happiness. And finally, the fifth habit is to reflect and practice gratitude. At the end of your day, when the world becomes quiet again, take a few moments for yourself. Sit in silence. Ask yourself, what went well today? What can I do better tomorrow? Then write in a gratitude journal. It doesn't need to be long. Even one sentence is enough. For example, I am grateful for my health, or I am thankful for the smile of a friend today. Gratitude makes your heart lighter, your relationship stronger, and your life more positive. And before you sleep, end with affirmations. Speak to yourself with kindness and power. Say, I believe in me. I am growing every day. I will not give up on my dreams. These words will shape your mind, your attitude, and your destiny. So remember, real change does not come from one big step. Real change comes from the small habits you repeat every single day. Wake up early, move your body, feed your mind, plan your day, and always practice gratitude. If you do these 5 habits with consistency, your life will transform. You will feel stronger. You will think clearer. You will grow in confidence. And step by step, you will move closer to the future you dream about. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today, because your future self is already waiting to thank you for the choices you make right now. Believe in yourself, believe in your journey, and never forget you have the power to change your life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing motivation. If this message inspired you, drop a comment below and tell me what touched you the most. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next powerful video. Your growth is my mission. Let's walk this journey together. Remember, from poverty to power, your future starts now.